Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import Gcode in Bambu Studio. Basically, to simplify, a Gcode is what the code tells exactly to your printer. So basically, if the instruction is nozzle 8, it will then do that specific task. Now, to import it onto your Bambu Studio, you want to navigate through the slice plate option, and then it will take you to the preview page right here. Now this is going to be our Gcode. To import your Gcode, it's as simple as navigating through the Gcode file itself. So in my case, it's going to be this specific Gcode. You can just drag and drop it onto your Bambu Studio, and from there it will then import it right away. Now in my case, I'm just clicking on the no button because I don't want to save that, and basically that's how you do it. That's how you import Gcode in Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.